everybody gets it instantly when the hard data are presented. It's the truth. You know, if I tell, walking through that story, we're an indoor species. We spend 90% of our time indoors. I'll show you this double-blinded study my team led showing minor improvements to indoor air quality can lead to dramatic improvements in cognitive function performance, like strategic thinking. The costs are trivial. By our estimate, the cost for higher ventilation in the US, worst case, $40 US dollars per person per year. Benefits, $6,000 to $7,000 per person per year. I just told you 3 bullets in that story. Every executive in the world gets that. Wow, that's hard data, double-blinded, peer-reviewed science, and it's like a light bulb. Yes, of course the building drives that. We need to change our investment. In fact, I'd say the majority of times I present, somebody says, well, okay, now I know that, we want to make improvements starting tomorrow. It's really, the evidence is compelling, and I mentioned one study right there, my own team study. But in the book, we show 40 years of scientific evidence that's been on the sidelines that companies should be leveraging to say, this is why, this is the business case and the health case for why we want to invest in buildings, and why investing in buildings is really about investing in people and investing in your business.